Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Walmart Marketplace seller onboarding basics, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, visit the Walmart Marketplace website. Click on the Become a Seller button located at the top right corner. Review the eligibility requirements for selling on Walmart Marketplace. If you meet the criteria, click on the Get Started button. Create a Walmart account using your email address. Verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Once verified, log into your new Walmart account. Fill out the seller application form with your business information. Provide details about your tax identification number. Enter your bank account information for payment processing. Review and accept the seller agreement. Submit your application for review. Wait for Walmart to evaluate your application. You will receive an email notification regarding the status of your application. If approved, log back into your account to access the seller dashboard. Complete your seller profile by adding business details and policies. Set up your product listings by choosing the Add a Product option. Fill in product information, including titles, descriptions, and images. Set your pricing and inventory levels for each product. Review all information before publishing your listings. Finally, monitor your dashboard for updates and performance metrics. Now you are ready to start selling on Walmart Marketplace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.